Okay, today we're going to be showing you the install of the DHCP role. I'm going to be doing this on two separate servers, two domain controllers that I've got here, DC1 and DC2. Now I'm going to be doing this also two different ways, one via Powershell and the other via the graphical tools. So if I do the graphical tools first, I can right click here, DC2, and then do add roles and features. Next. So it's got DC2 selected there, and we tick the DHCP server tick box here. Now I'm going to also include the management tools as well. You can choose whether you feel that's appropriate or not, but in most cases it helps to have the tools on there. So if we click add features and then next, just get some things to note there, and next, okay, and install. Now while that is doing that install on that server, DC2, I'm going to minimize that and head over to PowerShell to show you the other way that you can achieve this. This will be good for the Windows Core installs. So get Windows feature and then simply put the wildcard character of star DHCP. Okay, so this is going to show you the DHCP server itself, and that's called DHCP, the name of that, and the install state on both of these is available, and then the DHCP server tools, and then this is the name of those, is called RSAT-DHCP. But I'm going to show you now that you can effectively install these both together at the same time. So if we do install Windows feature, sorry, there's a dash in there, install Windows feature, and then we do DHCP, and then I'm going to include the management tools. So we can simply hit return now, and then this will show you the progress of the installation here in a more text-based format. So I'm going to head back and see how it's doing on this one, and it's saying that it's completed. So we can do now the complete DHCP configuration wizard. This is just to authorize it in Active Directory. So we're going to specify some credentials to get that authorized and an entry added into the Active Directory. I'm just simply going to go with the domain administrator account. You could change this depending on your setup. Commit that. Okay, that's quite quick. So it just simply says done, it's created this groups and it's authorized the server, so we can close out of that now. So that will be a DHCP installed now on the DC2, and we can see here back on PowerShell on DC1 that we've got a success here. So success true, it's exited with success, there's no restart needed, and then the feature result, the ones that's installed, is the DHCP server and the DHCP server tools. Okay, so while the video was paused momentarily there, I've just simply clicked refresh up here, and then you can see that it's got the DHCP tile. I didn't want you to have to wait to see all of that refreshing, so all I've simply done is click refresh there and then cleared down the notifications that there were. So this now sees we've got DC1 dropped in here on the tab as well, and it's telling us that there's configuration required for this DHCP server as well. So if we simply click more, it's going to bring up the tasks and notifications. So it's got there. So on the bottom here, it's just giving you launch the DHCP post install wizard, and then there's just a link there, and we're just simply doing what we did before on the other server, putting in the correct credentials, and it's both done on there. So that concludes that. So we've got that installed on both DCs now, DC1 and DC2. DHCP is installed on both. So now that we've got that on both of those, we can right click and then do DHCP Manager. Okay, this is going to bring up the tool, the remote server tool as well. You can install this on your desktop or your client machine and also administer the DHCP servers the same way. So I'm going to add in DC2 here, browse out to that, find that. Okay, so now it's going to show me both of them in one place. So from DC1, remember we've not had to remote onto DC2 or invoke a remote PowerShell session on DC2 at any time. We've done this all through DC1, interacting with DC1, and then now we've got both of the servers there showing. We've got DC1, it's been installed, and then also DC2, it's been installed, and then we can start managing both of them here from the same tool on the same session.